Hello everyone, this is Money Traders. Hope you guys had a good day at stock market. So without wasting much time, let's move on to the post market report for today. So coming to the market summary, I think Nifty was down by 0.2 percentage and Bank Nifty was down by 0.54 percentage. If you remember yesterday, we were mentioning that the Nifty will not go down because we showed you there is a trend line. We represented it, but we will be bearish, yeah, until if it crosses below this line. So until this trend line is respected, we still feel that it is a bullish. It's a temporary retracement that we see from the Nifty point of view. And as well, if you see the 5 minutes pattern, it's also it's a following a definitive trend line, and this is the pivot, and this is almost respecting it, hopefully. Uh, so but if you would like to know more about these charts, like most of the time the trading view actually provides not more than three options to provide provide those features into the chart. But if you would like to know more how to include more options into your chart, please let us know in the comment section. We have written a code to add as many features as you would like, so that it will be helpful. Instead of relying on the trading view subscription, you can actually build in by yourself. So that's about the trading view and the Nifty. Coming to the Bank Nifty, it's also down by 0.54 percentage, and there are coming to the stocks advanced and declines. We have 856 stocks that are advanced, while 646 stocks have been declined. Coming to the top gainers and losers, I see IOC, Power Grid, Coal India, and TPC. All the PSU pack is really firing up. And Sun Pharma, if you remember, like today I was mentioning in our pre-market summary, Sun Pharma was going to boom. Definitely, I think it showed its power for today. But I was saying, the global there is a severe energy crunch happening at the global level. Like from the coal side, China reserves are depleting faster, and that is impacting and they have a lot of blackout issues with respect to the power. So that's the reason this Coal India and NTPC power grid are powering up. And like at the same time, like the gas and the crude oil also reaching their highest levels, I think, since 2014. That's what I should mention. So that's the reason this even IOCL, BPCL, HPCL are firing up with respect to the top gainers. Coming to the top losers, HDFC banks. Basically, HDFC, I think the reason could be, you know um, the reason is basically, I think there is some block deal happened today in the HDFC AMC. I think that could be one of the reason to have it as a top loser. On the other side, Kotak Bank, I think it raised from 1700 till 2000, so that's a partial retracement what we feel. From the cement side, and we got Ultrasec Cement and Asian Paints and Asian Motors. So these are the other stocks that we are. But these stocks have Asian Paints and Asian Motor. I think Asian Paints have rallied significantly in the last 1 month. So there is some correction happening over there with 1% each, and Asian Motor 1%, and even Ultra 6 Cement as well, like 1.5%. So this is about the market summary for today. Uh, and also, I would like to share a couple of few other things with respect to the overall scenario globally, how things are moving. So so there was a cabinet meeting that actually working on cabinet meeting that was helping to clear a doubling the Ratlam railway line. I think that's one update we have. Neemuch Ratlam railway line at a cost of around 1,000 crores. That is one update we have from the uh, government updates impacting the market, specific to the stock as well. And as well as, like I mentioned, like the natural gas and the crude oil prices are powering up so high. And there is an update from China that it will boost domestic natural gas production as much as possible. If you see this, it means that they are actually reducing their coal consumption. So when they are trying to do a similar doing the similar transition, I think still they are facing some issues on the coal supply demand side and the natural gas. So that's where some of the coal requirements they have are actually risen significantly. So that's one of the reason to boost the coal prices up. And also the cabinet has also approved fresh capital infusion into the export credit guarantee scheme. uh, so that is also, because it helps the export business very well, and drives the dollar, like the reserves for India. So that is also a good thing. And also couple of schemes related to export credit guarantee and the national export insurance account. This was also cleared with respect to these schemes, and it will support the exporters. So all good things regarding the exporter. Coming to the fiscal deficit, how we are going to manage it, like I think for this year the government is aimed to have a fiscal deficit around 6.3%. uh, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, if you remember, like yesterday we were talking about, we also mentioned that the electricity power generation is picking up a lot of pace. We hear a lot of news from the electricity amendment bill. I think if you had gone through the bill, it's clearly mentioned, like the state monopolies will be removed, providing uh, basically democratizing the power sector. So that's the theme of the electricity amendment bill. So if you are looking couple of stocks in that space, like Tata Power, IEX, or even the distribution companies like CESC, they are a good stocks to hold on that theme. And just want to mention, like there was a significant, if you significant impact on the oil and gas, because we are seeing $80 per barrel. But if you look at our ONGC stock, I think ONGC is still pricing with around $45 per barrel of Brent. But if you see the price internationally, the current price is around $80. So there is a lot of runway available for ONGC. So it is going to pop up just like anything. So there is also a lot of news, like Goldman Sachs, Barclays, and Morgan Stanley are predicting different price points. Like more Goldman Sachs was predicting $90, Barclays were predicting 77, while Morgan Stanley was predicting $85 per barrel of crude. So this is the high level picture, like each investment banking is providing us. So keep an eye on the oil sector companies, and focus on them to add long term value. At least this cycle will go for another couple of years. And also, if you one of the key thing that we had is Bell recently was in news a couple of times. It was getting a lot of orders from, and it also one of the key player in the electricity. So that's the reason Bell BHEL is shooting up very good, I think, with very good volumes. So keep a track on that stock as well. Coming to the reality stocks, reality stock, so far, because of the COVID unlock theme, I think there is a pretty much demand from the real estate. Just keep watch on the real estate sector, and as well as the banks that actually are NBFCs that actually give a housing loans, like LIC Housing Finance, or you know Aptus. So just keep a watch them carefully. If you get a good opportunity, please take a position. Just watch them. I don't recommend taking any position, but please watch them how they actually behave. Thanks everyone. That's all for today for the post market summary. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe and provide your comments and feedback session. Like I mentioned, if you would like to know more about how to include more features into your trading view without getting additional subscription, let us know in your comment in our comment section, so that we will provide you, how to include, how to write a code, or how to, we'll give you the code so that you can actually use it for your benefit. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye.